I have to tell you, I have to give credit to another president here because I'm hedging my bets. I think it's President Donald Trump. When he was playing hardball, and now look at where we've come. We all thought, oh, he's a fool. Why is he being so mean to the North Koreans? Look, it's brought them to a negotiating table. And if you notice, Trump's been tweeting a heck of a lot less about this issue. And recently, he gave a speech on Sunday where he was asked, and I'm not kidding, he was asked, Mr. Trump, how do you deal with a madman? And he said, it's not my problem, it's Kim Jong-un's problem.
Why do you think, though, North Korea has decided to come to the table now? It's
I
not
genuinely,
just about the Winter Olympics.
I am not being tongue-in-cheek. I believe it is Donald Trump. Again, Mr. President, if you're watching...
But is it not just about the fact that, you know, the sanctions have been tightened quite significantly?
Donald Trump.
Not just by Donald Trump.
Well, he was leading it in the UN. He was leading it in the UN. His UN ambassador was leading that call, and she's a very effective individual in the UN.
Let's move on. Interesting.